Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 2019 Ford F-150 in the XLT trim. Okay, this is the 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost. Clean Carfax with 3 previous owners. This color, the exterior color, is actually the Magma Red, so a very nice dark color. The camera is maybe a little deceiving here, maybe looks black, but it is a really super dark crimson, what Ford calls Magma Red. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you some of the features, advantages, and benefits of owning this truck. Starting up front here, you can see the high intensity halogen headlights. You will have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper with tow hooks as well. Nice flashy chrome split bumper here. Let's go around the wheel and tire setup. A nice set of Goodyear Wrangler tires, 7/32 all the way around on the tires. So like new tires, shiny new rotor, brake pads, and we like to do all that so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing. A nice chrome factory wheel here from Ford. What a great color. On this particular model here, you will see you have turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap, which is nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Pretty straightforward on the interior. You have a two-tone gray black, looks like brushed aluminum and chrome. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice premium cloth seating. Let's go ahead and take a look at the glove box where we will find our mechanical check sheet. There's your tire depths right there. Brake pads are all good to go. Again, we take a lot of consideration into our reconditioning. We like to do that again, so you don't have to put any money into the wearable shortly after purchasing it, because why would you? Looking into the rear here, you can see this is the Super Crew, so plenty of space back here for rear occupants. Okay, you do have the bench seat in the middle, or if you'd like to fold that down, you will have your center console as well. To the rear of the truck, you will notice it is the short bed, 5 3/4. Looks like you have a nice drop-in bed liner here from Ford, and you will also have your illuminated cargo lights right there. There's your 4 and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver right there. So it's set up to tow, ready to go. Proximity sensors all the way around. So let's go ahead and get into some of the driver features. What we do, there is your keyless entry right there. Factory code is in the manual, and you can customize that to your own custom code. To the driver area, you will notice you have powered windows, doors, mirrors, etc. There's your locks. You do have power seat options on the driver's seat. Looking over here, you will have your electronic parking brake, adjustable foot pedals here, lamp selector, brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters. Looks like you have your fog lights, and then you have your cargo lamp right there. Okay, on startup, you'll be met with some nice Ford graphics here. And as you can see, just over 22,000 miles, and you will also be met by a nice, healthy sounding V6 engine. Pretty quiet, but you still know it's there. Okay, let's take a look at some of the options mounted here on the steering wheel. You do have your control pad to pan through your information here, as you can see. And down here is your cruise control. To the right, it's more of an audio selection right here. You can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. Does have the gear selector right there on the steering column. Okay, you do have different drive mode options here. Let's go through these. Tow haul mode, snow wet, eco, and sport. Moving over to the infotainment center here, you will see you do have navigation. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the rear view camera so you guys can see. So nice touchscreen display here on this F-150. You also notice your four-wheel drive selector right here, trailer backup assist, and your integrated trailer brake control. So set up to tow, ready to go. Okay, your climate control right here, guys, pretty straightforward. You will get heated front seats, which is really nice. As far as power options up front, you have 2 USBs and 12 volts. You have some nice storage down below, 2 cup holders. I believe that opens up down below as well. Like I said, you have your bench seat, or if you don't want to do that, you can just flip that down and have the center console. Under the hood, you will find a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Our crew does an amazing job of getting these ready for the next buyer. As you can see, guys, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything like that. So that's a nice, healthy sounding V6 engine. Okay, guys, just a nice little recap here. 2019 Ford F-150 XLT EcoBoost, clean Carfax, 3 previous owners, just over 22,000 miles, and the nice exterior, which they call Magma Red. Super nice color here. Last portion of the video, guys, I'm going to go over any dents, dings, or imperfections you may or may not find on the truck. Keep in mind, they are pre-owned here at All Things Automotive. We know they're not perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible. Starting up front here, you can see some blemishes here on the hood, some road chips here. Down below the chrome, not too much to say down here. Very nice truck, well kept here. No curb rash on the chrome wheel there. As you can see, the shiny new rotor. XLT badging, good. Even on the mirror cap, no discoloration or anything like that. Okay. High gloss black on the doorpost seems to be pretty good. I didn't see any dings or anything like that. Now you will have some blemishes here on the passenger bedside. Working our way up here, you will see some scarring up there. That's cargo going in and out. They may have used the bed just a little bit, but as you can see, it's not used that much. All the vinyl trim back here looks good. I didn't see anything else that jumped out. The interior is very nice and clean. I did notice maybe some stains right here on that. Looks like a microfiber on that belt right there. And here as well. Other than that, a nice clean interior. It is cloth, okay? Let's go ahead and shut that off. If you'd like to know any more about this truck, just give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can call 717-485-4224. You can hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can get yourself pre-approved. Yes, we take trades. Okay, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this truck does qualify. So come on out, guys. 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.